Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change your payment method on Uber. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Uber app and tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. If you're using an iPhone, select Payments, and if you're on Android, tap Wallet. Next, tap Add Payment Method or Redeem Gift Card and choose your preferred payment option. Enter your payment details as instructed. If you're adding a credit or debit card, you can scan it by tapping the camera icon next to the card number field. If you choose to scan, allow Uber to access your camera and follow the on-screen instructions to capture your card details. Once you've entered the necessary information, tap Next on Android or Save on iPhone. Your new payment method will now be available for future rides. You can also set it as your default payment option by selecting it from the list of saved methods. So that's basically how you can change your payment method on Uber. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.